Dolphins have names for each other. Elephants are the only mammals that can't jump. Did you know that? Hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly backward. A giraffe's neck has the same number of vertebrae as a human's, 7. Bats are the only mammals capable of sustained flight. Whales communicate with each other across vast ocean distances. A cow can sleep while standing, but it must lie down to dream. Mice can fall from great heights without getting hurt. A kangaroo can leap over a car. Hedgehogs are nocturnal and have a great sense of smell.